Hi, I'm Travis with Gazelle Tents, and I'm here today with our gazebo. This is the G5, our 5-sided gazebo. I'm going to show you just how easy this is to set up and take down. We're going to take our bag, lay it down, unzip. As I pull the gazebo out of the bag, there's only a couple other pieces that are inside this bag. We've got our door support poles, and then our tie-down stakes. There's also guy lines in with the tie-down stakes, so if you do have some wind come up and things, you can have this staked out and it's not going to go anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and set the bag and the tent stakes out over there. Once we start to lay out our gazebo, take off the strap, start to pull out the sides. As we're laying it out, you're going to see the hubs, which is the key to setting all of this up, start to come out. So, get it flopped over. I'm going to grab this side. We've got our hub right here, so I'm going to step down on the bottom, pull out that hub. You can see how it locks right into place. Work my way around on each of the sides, popping out. And this G5 goes up in no time with one person, piece of cake. We're going to go ahead and take and spin it. And now this is where I can put in my door support poles. So I've got my G5 standing up. Unzip. I'm going to go inside, push up on this center hub. Now sometimes you're going to see the gazebo might lift off the ground a little bit. That's okay. That's a normal thing. Once you've got it up, you're good to go. It's nice and solid the way it is. But those support poles are going to go right in here, so we can make sure that it's as nice and tight when people coming in and out. It's going to help hold its shape. To do that, I just put them together. There's a hole, a pocket right down here on the bottom. I'm going to slide it right into that hole in the pocket, come up to the top, bend the pole a little bit so it goes in nice and tight. Velcro, hold it into the side, and our support pole is in. We can do that on both sides really easily. And this G5 is ready to be staked out and used. Once we get our poles up, nice feature about all of our gazelles is that when it comes to staking it out, it's not just a little piece of rope. You've got a nice thick webbing strap with a big grommet on each of your corners so you can stake it out, have it be nice and tight. If you need to tie out your grommets, you take on the side, hook onto those, tie out your guy lines, and it's going to keep this thing nice and solid. It's not going to go anywhere. We also have wind panels and rain panels. That's what the Velcro is for on the outside. You hook it into the two corners on the top, put your Velcro, roll it down, Velcro, and hook it to the bottom corners, and you are good to go. After removing the support poles by the door, it's very important that we go in the reverse order of setting it up, which means we are going to take the roof down first. Take the roof down first, we're just going to hit right up on that top post. We want to make sure that we take the roof down first every time to go in the reverse order. So I'm just going to go back around now and start popping in my sides. You'll see the gazebo start to fold itself up. Once we get that last one in, it's a matter of gathering up the fabric together. You can put the tie-down strap back on around it, or because our bags are oversized, you can actually put this away in the bag without strapping it down. And you're ready to head off on your next adventure. So enjoy your Gazelle Gazebo, the G5.